Hi everybody, it's Martyn at Flicking Feathers again today, and I'm tying another tube for you. This is a Riffle Hitch Tube. If I turn it, you can hopefully see the wee hole in the bottom of the tube there for hitching so that it can skate on the surface. This is just a basic, very simple version of this fly. I'll be doing another couple of videos of different variations over the coming weeks, so I'm tying these up. So I've got my tube. It's just quite small, this one. I'm tying it, it's 20mm, 24mm this. So it's an inch tube once I've melted it. Get that up on the pin. And I've not put my hole in yet. I always tie the fly first. Just so I know that I've got enough room. And it's dead simple. I just put a wee dab of super glue because I'm only tying head length. So the anchor point's quite small. I mean, it'd be fine with it, but for all the time it takes to stick that wee bit of glue on, and it just solidifies everything up. So give myself a few mil to work with. That's about 4mm. I'm going to tie in my wing. Now I'm just using, you can use any hair, it's up to you. I'm using just a bit of fox. It's nice and soft, but it's not very long, and it's fine for these wee tubes. But you can just bucktail or whatever. So I've got this bunch of fox. I'm going to pull out most of the guard hairs, the really long ones. So I've got mostly just the soft fur. And then take my dubbing brush or my velcro and just put it through. You see that opens it up? Yeah, just untangles any of the hairs. Lets you get a bit of an idea of the wing. And then just sort of measure where I want that. I'll cut it before I tie it in. I'll just sort of flatten it. That gives me a nice sort of teardrop shape, quite like that. A bit of super glue on the thread, and then just come into these butts. Just tidy that up. And that way, I mean, they're locked in nice and secure, they're never going anywhere. Now you could leave that like that. I'm going to stick a wee flash of colour. You know, if you want a, I mean, if you're tying just a very basic tube like this, you could just stick a false hackle, but because I'm putting the hole in, and to show you the technique, we'll do this. So I've got a bunch of feather fibres here. This is just from a cheap cock hackle, orange. Just taking them as if I was tying a throat hackle. I'm going to hold them on the side. Take 2 or 3 wraps, then I'll turn it. Do the same on the other side. that tied in. I'll come in, trim away at the waist. If there's any you don't like, you can just, there's a one or two that I don't like here that I'm just going to try to pull out, but they're not coming. There we go, that's better. Just trim them away. I mean, they don't make any difference, you could leave them, but you don't need to be that fussy. And that's basically the fly tied, right? So instead of having a throat hackle, I've just got the wee flash of the hackle at either side, and I've still got my space here, right, for putting the hole in the tube. Now, to finish the fly, I've just got to coat a few inches of the thread with super glue. I'm just using super glue with a brush, and then I'll wrap that. Trim that off, and push it in there. And there, that's the tie-in. Now, I'm going to varnish the head several times. Right, I'll get at least 2 coats, maybe 3. So you don't need to worry at all about the super glue coming loose, or the head unwinding. You end up with a very hard, very durable head. So take this one away to dry. I'll show you how to finish it. So here's one, a couple of coats of varnish over the glued head. And I've now just stuck it on the needle just to let it sit there. I'm going to heat my bodkin. And my lighter, it's red hot. And then I'm just going to come in and stick a hole angled backwards. In the tube. And that allows you to mount it in the hitched fashion. Just to give you an idea, just take about an island here. So, I mean, these tubes can still be fished as you would normally, like thread it through the front, right? It would just fish like a small, just like a wee mini sunray kind of variation, I suppose. A small hair wing tube, or as it's intended, you can just thread it in through the hole in the belly, and you tie your hook on, and that encourages the fly to stay on the surface and skate. so the thread's coming in here and your hook's tied at the back. Good surface presentation for low water and summer fish. Well worth tying some up to try out. So I hope that was useful. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to the channel. Tight lines, guys. Bye.